Well, you know what guys, I know the bus video didn't quite work out, so I might make a little video of the lights going back up, going through the Strand and up Regent Street, etc. But we'll start on this one here, which is just down from where Aldwych Underground Station is. Feast your eyes on this. Going down that, look beautiful. We've got a plane up there as well. I think is that going to London City, I wonder, I don't know. Apparently it looks like it's an ice skating rink, so I'm not going to get too close to filming people for privacy reasons. Isn't that fantastic? Absolutely great to see people out enjoying themselves, having a good time. I'd probably let myself join them if I didn't have a bad leg, but you know, plus I'm 42, so I think the age might go against me as well. These lights on the Strand look absolutely beautiful, absolutely fantastic. I mean, I'll tell you what, I do love coming down to London. I've always loved coming down here for many years, you know, but it is a nice feeling to jump back on the train and go back home as well. It gives me something else to look forward to next time I come down. Now this little odyssey that I've done for today, the actual main part of it was that underground tour at Aldwych Underground Station. The trip I wanted to take on the bus would have been a little bit of a bonus, but sadly it wasn't to be, so I will do that again at some point. But now looking at these lights down here, I mean, just look. I think that more than makes up for it. I'll do a little video, have a few little shorts, and I'm going to make my way back to Euston and make my way back home. So hope you enjoy the rest of this little video, and I'll speak to you guys later. Now, didn't that bus look nice that just went past? Absolutely fantastic. Beautiful tree just outside the Claremont, which is next to Charing Cross Station. Bit random that, a random procession of police bikes on blue lights, caught up halfway up here, just turned around and went back again. Must be training or something, I don't know. Oh wow. You know what, this is a side of London that the media do not show you, and it's an absolute shame really. And we've got a nice band there playing. You know, all you keep hearing about is just like all thefts, murders, stabbings and that, but you know, every city has them, but London is absolutely fantastic. I love it. You know, for But there's the man himself, Lord Nelson, standing proud over the City of London. If you saw my bus timetable challenge I did a couple of weeks ago, you'll know this is where it ended. There's the National Gallery as well. You know, I'm actually surprised just how busy London is for a Thursday evening. Yeah, there's as many people down here as there was when I was here on the Saturday. I suppose being the capital city, I suppose it's like the city that never sleeps, so all hustle and bustle. Now unfortunately, because time's getting on, I'm not going to be able to show you the lights up Regent Street. I do have just about an hour to get back to Euston for my train, back up to Nuneaton. So unfortunately that's going to have to wait. I will come down again before Christmas. I'll have a look at the lights and I'll take you guys along with me as well. So, but I will see you in a bit. Bye. I love the murals on the wall here at Charing Cross Station, absolutely great.
The train at platform 12 is the 1940 Avanti West Coast service to Crewe, calling at Coventry, Birmingham International, Birmingham New Street, Sandwell and Dudley, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Stoke-on-Trent and Crewe. This train is formed of 11 coaches. Platform 12 of the 1940 Avanti West Coast service to Crewe.